Can you hear me now? All right. Well, this is a poem I made for my brother recently. I only smile to keep the pain inside. I only smile to keep the pain inside. All these tears hidden in my heart. They're holding back for almost forever. And it's been a while since we've been together. Been racking my brain trying to been racking my brain trying to confess it. Just don't have the words, I can never express it. It's like everything is complicated, I'm going insane. Everything is happening fast, it's starting to change. And the things ain't been the same without you around. But I can see the pride in your face when you smile at that. I went from all A's to missing days. I'm just hoping you can understand. But we gonna be together again. I just can't wait to see you again. I'm holding on strong, trying to become a man. Why you have to leave me, I just don't understand. But it's alright, I'll see you when I can. But you see life goes on, and all I can do is hold on strong. But it's kind of hard when you're trying to hope it ain't real. So many emotions, I just don't know how to feel.